Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today we are going to do a review and a demonstration of Model 1's Soak Off Builder Gel. This is the top of the lid right here, very cute logo right there of the bee. And so this is a Soak Off UV LED Curable Builder Gel. And what is a builder gel? The builder gel is the type of gel that you will use to do an overlay on the nail, to sculpt the nail, meaning extend it, or you can also use it for encapsulations of products on the nail when you do designs. So you're looking at the top of the jar right here. Let me show you what this looks like. Here it is underneath. I don't want to turn it too much on. It's upside down. It is still sealed. I'm going to show you. I'm going to open it up and show you how it comes sealed before I open it. But to show you here, this is a 2-ounce jar, guys. This is a really good size jar. So the package comes with some forms, some some little forms here that you can use for your do it at home, and a brush that has, here's the brush. It's just a flat tip. I will open it up in a minute, and it has a dotting tool at the end for nail designs. This is available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below for you guys. So let's open it up so you can see what to expect. This is good for shipping. It is sealed. I'm going to go ahead and open this off camera, but you will want to expect that to be sealed. So here is the container. I have it open and you can see this is a clear builder gel, if I didn't mention that before. It is completely clear. And I went ahead and opened up the brush here. What you see, I have a little bit of gel there that I was wiping it off from the paper to not waste it, and then I just try to clean it up here against the edge of the jar. So I'm going to demonstrate, and here's how the forms come. I don't know how many are in here, but this is a good start for you, those that like to learn how to do this at home. And I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to do an extension on my, and I have a Skinner here with a tip that I applied, and I made it short so that we can extend it using the builder gel. I'm going to take one of these forms. You open it up here. It is perforated already. Carefully unstick it from your fingers. They are super sticky so that they stay on yourself or your client. I usually give them a bit of a curve like that, and then just apply them here like that. Pinch on the sides, and then I like to pinch them at the bottom. Make sure everything is under the nail, and then just pinch them right here as well so they don't come off. They can do a good job there because she's wearing gloves. And I usually take, to keep those from popping open, I take the piece, the center piece, and I pinch it like that, and then I press down here as well. So it stays in place, and that is a good fit on her right there. Okay guys, so after it is cured, at this point it is okay to remove the paper form. Now of course I'm having problems with the tip wanting to come off the finger, and this is tacky, so I'm going to go ahead. If this was a person, you wouldn't have to do this just yet, but I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the inhibition layer so I can press down on the tip on this model hand. Let's remove the paper form. Toss that to the side. Let me go ahead and reapply this, and there you can see the extension right there. And at this point you do not expect a perfect form because we're going to file this, and right now also the nail needs to be structured, okay? But this takes the place of you having to come up with any plastic nails, not having to, you don't have to glue any plastic tips, I should say. But there you go. So this is what I call the skeleton of the nail, okay? Oh, okay, I really wish my tip will stay there in place. Now this is a good startup for me to start structuring the nail. I really like, so as far as what I found out from the working with this, just that little bit, this is, it's got a very thick viscosity. I do like that, yet it is self-leveling, so it self-levels slowly. Taking you do consider your environment, okay, when it comes to gels. If you're in a warm environment, the gel will tend to be thinner, okay? It will seem a little bit more runny. If you're in a cold environment or your room is cold, it will tend to be thicker. I do like right now, I don't know, I'll probably have, my room is about in the 70s, nice and comfortable. Look at this, it's not moving anywhere, and this is nice for just keep it, it'll stay in place and not run into the gutters, like I would like to say, or your cuticle area. For at this point, okay, so let's go ahead. We want to build it up. So what I like to do is push this, press it down towards the cuticle. I'm running into the problem here that is so, the gel is so sticky, it's pulling on the tip. You obviously will not have that problem on yourself or a client, okay? But you'll want to press the first, when you first put it down, press it against the cuticle and then bring it out. I didn't pick up enough gel, but let's do that here. Yes, this is a very thick viscosity gel. I like it. It'll be really good. And then when you have that tail like that, just turn your brush side to side to pick it up. Okay, I went ahead and grabbed something black so you can, hopefully it will show a little better. And I want to show you that even if it's not 100% perfect right there as far as your structure, okay, so just to give you a little bit of hint, I don't worry much about any elevation, okay? So any bumps, you can always file that down. What will worry me is any dips, okay, dimples. Because once this is cured, I cannot bring it back up unless I go back with more product. But any imperfections as far as bumps, you can always file them down, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and let me check look down the barrel for thickness, and we're going to go ahead and put this in the lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, so this is not completely cured, guys. It does have an inhibition layer. It is tacky. That is normal. Let's go ahead and remove it with alcohol. Now you want to shape it into, file it into shape. Okay guys, so I went ahead and filed and buffed this nail off camera because I had to remove it from this model hand. And there you can see, okay, to see against the black background. how it's nicely extended. We shaped it, give it a slight ballerina shape, and this is pretty strong. I mean, this is, yeah, it will. So this, if you use it as an overlay, it will really strengthen your nails. There you go. Yeah, it is. I say this, what I say about builder gels, they are strong yet very flexible. You'll want a product that you put on your nails to be flexible like your nails. You want them to give. If you bump your nail, your fingers, you want that to give. You don't want that to be rigid, unlike acrylic. So that's one of the benefits of gel. Okay, so like I said, this is nicely buffed now, and I've removed the dust. I'm going to go ahead and finish it with this color from Model-Ones. There's a beautiful color. This one is 1045 right there, and I will also demonstrate it, an encapsulation. Okay guys, so here's the finished nail right there. You can see the profile. It's a nice tip. Let me see if I can show you underneath. There you are. Now I'm going to place some glitter on the nail, and I'm going to demonstrate how to do an encapsulation. Here's the encapsulation. Remember that this does finish with an inhibition layer, so you will want to remove it with alcohol. I already done that, and now we do have, this has to be buffed. This is the nail after it has been buffed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish it with Model-Ones No Tacky or No White top coat. And here she is, completely done. Check out the nice shine on that nail, and the glitter is completely encapsulated, so you don't feel any of them, anything poking through. And keep in mind, let's see if I can show you this. Let's remove the finger out. When you first build your nail, keep in mind the thickness of, you want to keep it, if you know you're going to do an encapsulation, keep your nail fairly thin, because the encapsulation will add to the thickness of your tip. So there she is, beautiful nail. So here are all the products. Again, this is available on Amazon, Model-Ones Builder Gel. This is a 2-ounce jar for a great price. And yes, this is something that if you do, you can definitely do fills with as the nail grows. And remember, obviously, you can do your overlays and also do your fills with it as well as your nail grows out. You just have to remove the color with you will use a e-file to remove the gel color from the top of your extension, and then rebuild the structure, you know, with the clear, and then color again. And that's how you will do that. If you guys have any questions about this, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Model-Ones for sending me these beautiful products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.